I'm going primer because I'm ready to put my base on. I'm using Uma, and I have this for a long time. It is almost done, as you can see. It is right here, and I think it's T3. I don't remember. Love this Born This Way Too Faced concealer. It is beautiful. I use it to conceal everything that I don't want to show. I'm using the same brush to do the concealer under my eye. And then after I'm done, I'll take a sponge. I'm doing a powder bronzer. I have not set anything yet, but because I'm using a lot of powders, I'm gonna do all my powder stuff first before I set. So this is my bronzer right here. And I'm using the MAC bronzer. This is the MAC bronzer. The same brush I used for the bronzer, I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use this shade right here as my blush. I will set everything after I am done because all of this is powder. So I'm just using all the powders that I need to, so I do less of the setting with the setting powder. I am going to use my NYX face powder with this puff to set. My Huda purple powder. I'm going to use that to set. I'm going to use that to set under my eyes. Not set. Set. Now I'm just going to use a fluffy brush and blend all the powders that I put on my face and make sure it looks seamless. Take your time because I have all the powders on, the blush, the bronzer, the setting powder. Today's item is I trust in the power of my dreams. I trust in the power of my dreams. You trust in the power of your dreams. Dreams are powerful. They sometimes and most of the time reflect what we are thinking in our waking hours. So pay attention to your dreams because they are powerful. Now that I have the base on, I'm going to finish the eyes, but this video ends right here. And in the next video, you will see how this eye was created and the finishing look. Please watch all the video because it's very important that you do watch it because it pushes my videos out on YouTube. And in the next video, you'll see how this eye look was created and the finishing. Okay, thank you.